Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and watch how I got my crazy dry hair to go from that to this, which is a beautiful transformation, all using the Shea Moisture's new Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair line. So I'm starting out with the shampoo, and my hair is already rinsed through, and I'm taking about quarter size amount of the shampoo and focusing more on the roots and the scalp, and then kind of gliding the shampoo down the rest of the strands of my hair. And this shampoo is very moisturizing, and it has a medium to thick consistency, so you don't need a lot. It will lather up very well, as you can see. Now I'm going in with the conditioner, and I'm taking about a quarter, 2/4 size amounts, and starting with the roots and working my way down to my ends, but I am focusing on the ends of my hair because that is where most of the damage or repair is usually needed in your hair, because that dries out the fastest. So I put this in my hair and I left it in for about 5 minutes, and then kind of just rinsed it out from there. But again, as you can see, I'm taking about 2/4 size amounts per section, and I divided this up into 4 sections. I may have used a little bit more here and there, especially in the back of my hair because it is thicker, but you use as much as you need. And the reason why I didn't leave it in my hair so long is because I did go in with the mask treatment, or protein treatment, so I didn't need to leave it in but so long. And my hair felt nice and soft after applying this. And that's what my hair looked like after rinsing the conditioner out. It felt very light and fluffy and airy, which I love. Now I'm going in with the protein power treatment. And if you have high porosity hair, you definitely need protein in your Washday regimens. Not so much every week, but you need it at least every 2 weeks. So you either want to use a hair mask that has protein or do a separate protein treatment. So I was really glad to get this line in the Sheabassador package, because I know that it was focusing on protein, which was great for high porosity hair. And as you can see, I'm applying pretty much kind of starting from the roots and working my way up my hair instead of going the reverse way of how I wash, where I go root to end. And that is after about 2 hours. I rinsed it out, and my hair felt 3 times softer than it did with just the conditioner. Now, it may not look super defined, but that's kind of just how my hair is. Now I'm going in with the leave-in, and it is a spray leave-in. I'm not a big fan of spray leave-ins because I feel like I have to keep spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying to feel like my hair is fully saturated, as you can see. But it does have a medium to light to medium cream consistency, so it's not all water. But I definitely did need to use, quite a bit to get my hair to the point where I felt it was fully coated. But it does detangle well, and my hair did feel soft. Some spray leave-ins feel waxy on my hair, but this one did not. So if you're apprehensive about spray leave-ins, I would recommend this one if you want to try it, because it doesn't give you that waxy feel, and it does detangle well, just like a regular cream leave-in would. And to keep my hair from drying out, I split it into 4 sections after I applied the leave-in and twisted it up so it would hold on to all of that before I went into the styling process. One thing I can say with doing your wash days, one of the keys to having good definition is to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled. And as far as your detangling process, you want to start from the ends of your hair and work all the way up. And it does take quite a bit of time. It can be annoying. Sometimes you feel like you have detangled your hair from the start all the way to the finish, and you've probably gone over the same sections again and again and again, but it is worth it. Now I'm going in with the split end balm, and this balm is a very thick consistency, but it is designed to kind of place back your split ends, so it's not so much of a fix, but it's almost like a glue them back together. And it keeps your hair to look relatively healthy. And I do also like it just for the fact that, I kind of focused in on on the ends of my hair and worked my way halfway up. And I could see a difference in the way that my hair looked per strand. So you don't need to focus so much on the roots of your hair, just the ends. And I could already feel my hair getting stronger from all of this. Now I'm going in with an oil of my choice. You can use whichever oil works well with your hair. And this is just to seal in the leave-in. And I'm gliding this through my hair, and also using the Denman brush to distribute the rest of the oil throughout my hair so that it is sealed. Now I'm going in with my styler, which is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. And I'm gliding that in my hair, kind of focusing on the ends and working my way up, and then going back down again as I prepare the sections to braid. And it doesn't matter what style you choose to do. You can do a braid out, twist out, a 3-strand twist, whatever. Same process, of everything else is the same. I will say, as far as the styles sometimes that give you the best definition, I don't want to say that there's really certain styles that work better, but for my hair, 3-strand twists always give me a more spiral effect, and braid outs give me more of like a zigzag wave effect. So I think it depends on A, your hair, and then B, what effect of definition you want your hair to be in. Those are things you want to consider when you are styling your hair. And then also, as far as shrinkage, one way to prevent that is to braid or style as close as possible to the top of your hair. And then sleep on it and wake up like this. So this is me the next day after I have separated just a little bit. I didn't separate too much. I kind of wanted it to do its own thing. So I just separated and picked it out, fluffed it up a little bit, but I didn't do too much. I kind of like to let my style glide over the week, so I'll fluff it out more over the week and it'll stretch out some more. But you style the way that you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and peace.